Welcome to Wonder Garden. The Zamioculcas plant is one of the most popular indoor houseplants, admired for its lush green appearance and its symbolism of good luck and prosperity. However, not everyone knows how to care for it properly. Over time, many Zamioculcas plants begin to develop yellow leaves, dry leaf edges, slow growth, or stop producing new shoots altogether. If your Zamioculcas plant is experiencing any of these problems, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to care for and revive your Zamioculcas plant using simple organic ingredients that are easy to find and safe for your plants. Let's get started and discover this easy method together. If your Zamioculcas plant has yellow leaves, scorched leaf edges, or dry foliage like this, one of the most common causes is excessive direct sunlight. The Zamioculcas plant thrives in bright, indirect light, but cannot tolerate harsh direct sunlight for extended periods. When exposed to direct sun, especially during midday or in the afternoon, the leaves can easily become sunburned, developing yellow patches, dry edges, and gradually losing their naturally glossy green appearance. Instead, place the plant in a location with bright, filtered light, such as near a window or on a covered balcony, where it can receive plenty of light without being damaged by intense sunshine. To correct this problem, begin by removing all yellow, sunburned, or severely damaged leaves. These leaves will not recover and will continue consuming the plant's nutrients. Use a pair of clean scissors to cut each damaged leaf close to its base and remove any leaves that are completely dry or have entirely lost their color. Pruning improves air circulation around the plant, reduces the risk of fungal diseases, and allows the plant to focus its energy on healthy foliage and developing new shoots. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Another common issue is a Zamioculcas plant that becomes stunted, grows very slowly, and gradually loses its vigor. The plant produces very few new shoots, the leaves become smaller than normal, their color fades to a lighter green, and the entire plant appears weak. The most common cause is insufficient light or a long-term lack of nutrients. If the growing medium has become depleted or the plant hasn't received supplemental nutrients for an extended period, its growth rate will slow significantly. To help revive a weak, slow-growing Zamioculcas plant, today I'll show you a simple organic fertilizer recipe that works especially well for indoor Zamioculcas plants. First, prepare one ripe banana. Bananas are packed with vitamins that are beneficial for people, so go ahead and eat the fruit. Why? Because the only part I need is the banana peel. Banana peels contain plenty of potassium, phosphorus, and naturally occurring minerals that are beneficial to plants, especially during leaf and root development. So instead of throwing the peel away, let's put it to good use caring for our indoor plants. Cut the banana peel into small pieces so its natural nutrients can be released more easily during the soaking process. Cutting the banana peel into smaller pieces also increases its surface area, allowing it to come into contact with the water more easily. This speeds up the release of the organic compounds inside the peel, resulting in a faster and more even extraction. In addition, this preparation method helps reduce uneven fermentation during the steeping process, producing a more stable solution that can be used more easily on a variety of houseplants. Once the banana peel has been chopped, I'll place all of the pieces into a clean glass. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. The next ingredient I'll be using is used coffee. Coffee contains naturally occurring organic compounds along with small amounts of trace minerals that can supplement nutrients and help maintain a healthier growing medium. Next, pour about 500 milliliters of hot water over the banana peels and coffee. Stir well so the nutrients from both ingredients begin dissolving into the water. These are two very simple, easy-to-find ingredients that combine to create a useful organic fertilizer for Zamioculcas plants. Once everything is thoroughly mixed, cover the container and let it steep for about 3 hours, or until the solution has cooled completely. During this time, the natural nutrients from the banana peels and coffee will gradually be released into the water, creating a simple organic solution for caring for your Zamioculcas plant. After about 3 hours, once the solution has cooled completely, strain out all of the solids. At this point, the banana peels and coffee have already released most of their nutrients into the water, so all we need is the clear liquid. Next, dilute the solution with about 1 liter of clean water. Diluting the solution makes it gentler for the Zamioculcas plant while allowing the nutrients to disperse more evenly throughout the water. After adding the water, stir thoroughly once again until the solution is completely blended. Now the organic nutrient solution is ready to use. Method 1. Watering the base of the plant. After diluting the solution, I'll pour it into a watering can. Next, gently and evenly water around the base of the Zamioculcas plant, focusing on the growing medium where the root system is developing. Apply only enough solution to evenly moisten the growing medium. Avoid overwatering or allowing water to collect inside the pot, as the Zamioculcas plant does not tolerate overly wet conditions for extended periods. The solution will gradually soak down into the root zone, where the plant absorbs water and nutrients most efficiently. Supplying nutrients in this way helps the plant maintain steady growth while supporting the development of new leaves, stronger stems, and healthy new shoots. For indoor Zamioculcas plants, you can apply this method once every 2 to 4 weeks, combined with an appropriate watering routine to keep the plant lush, healthy, and full of life. Method 2. Misting the plant. Next, pour some of the solution into a fine mist spray bottle. Lightly and evenly mist the entire Zamioculcas plant, including the leaves, stems, and new shoots. When spraying, apply a fine mist to both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the solution is distributed evenly across the entire plant. Misting helps remove dust from the leaves while maintaining a light level of surface moisture, keeping the foliage fresh, vibrant, and healthy looking. This is especially beneficial for Zamioculcas plants grown indoors or in offices, where dust tends to accumulate on the leaves over time. Regular misting and leaf cleaning help the plant maintain its naturally glossy appearance and healthy foliage. You can use this method once or twice a week, preferably early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Method 3. Wiping the leaves with the nutrient solution. Pour a small amount of the solution into a clean cup, then dip a soft cotton pad or a soft cloth into it. Next, gently wipe the entire surface of each leaf, including both the upper and lower sides. As you wipe, the solution helps remove dust, stains, and other residue from the leaves, leaving them cleaner and naturally shinier. This is also an excellent way to help the plant maintain efficient photosynthesis, especially for Zamioculcas, plants grown indoors or in offices where dust gradually builds up over time. While wiping, be gentle to avoid scratching or damaging the leaf surface. You can repeat this method once or twice a month to keep the foliage clean, glossy, healthy, and vibrant. Results. After consistently following this method for a period of time, you'll begin to notice significant improvements in your Zamioculcas plant. The stems become greener, sturdier, and healthier. Older branches gradually regain their vigor, while healthy new shoots continue emerging from the base of the plant. This is a clear sign that the root system has recovered and is functioning efficiently again. Not only that, but the new leaves also become thicker, glossier, and develop a rich, natural green color. The entire plant becomes fuller, more vibrant, and much healthier than before. If your Zamioculcas plant has yellow leaves, slow growth, or lacks vigor, you can certainly try this method to help support a faster recovery. What do you think about this way of caring for a Zamioculcas plant? Have you ever used banana peels and coffee to care for your houseplants? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Wonder Garden, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more simple, safe, and effective plant care tips in future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.